In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the timeline feature in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. To get started with the timeline, first you need to open the project you want to visualize. This might be one of your ongoing projects or perhaps a new initiative you're excited about. Once you're in the project view, look up to the top of your screen. You will see a series of View tabs. This is where you can see different ways to visualize your project. To create your timeline, simply click the plus icon, which looks like a little circle with a plus in it. After you click that, a menu will pop up, and from there you want to select the option that says Timeline. Once the timeline is active, you're in for a treat. You will see all your tasks laid out across a calendar-like view. This gives you a bird's-eye view of your project's timeline. It's incredibly helpful. Now, if you need to adjust a task's start or end date, all you have to do is click on the task box and drag it to a new position on the timeline. It's as simple as that. Let's talk about modifying the duration of your tasks. If you find that a task is taking longer than expected, or perhaps you need to shorten its duration, you can easily do so. Just click and drag the left or right edges of the task box. If you pull the edge inward, you're shortening the task duration. If you pull it outward, you're extending it. This flexibility allows you to keep your project on track while accommodating any changes that may arise. Now, if you need to access more detailed information about a specific task, or if you want to make edits, just click on the task box and a side panel will appear on the right side of your screen. This panel is where you can view detailed information about the task, such as assignees, due dates, and any other details you might have added. Another important feature of the timeline is managing task dependencies. Sometimes tasks are interconnected, meaning one task can't start until another is completed. To set these dependencies, click on the task you want to link and open its detailed view. You should find a section labeled Dependencies. Click on Add Dependencies, and from the list that appears, select the relevant task that your current task relies on. This is crucial for understanding how tasks interrelate. As you manage these dependencies, you'll notice red arrows appear on your timeline. This visual indication is incredibly useful, as it helps you see how delays in one task might impact another. It gives you that clearer perspective on your workflow, allowing you to make informed decisions as you move forward with your project. So, in summary, using the timeline in Asana is a powerful way to visualize your projects, manage your tasks, and keep everything organized. I hope these tips help you navigate this feature with ease. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more helpful tips like this one. Happy project planning!